As to Kilato. 20 shot lang. Torana. Tomira. Patay ang botiki. To ano po ni Jola bola. Jola now. Dumidiretso. May foul. Foul number 27. To Pretros coming. First try. One point. Kaduhang itsa. Wala. Jula. Tubaraka. Perimeter jumper. Wala. Agawan sa bola. To ani bahinting ang bola. The veterans. To sa number 11. Number 11. Perimeter jumper. 2 points of number 11. Six minutes and 30. Kilaton now. Controlling the ball. Kilaton. Perimeter jumper. Ginamit ang banda. 2 points. Warning, delaying the game. Warning number 27, delaying the game. Bahinting, gadala ng bola. 20 shot lang. Pass to Baraka, to number 11, nangitag linya, Tomira sa 3. 3 points, number 11. Kita paglinya, Randera na. Bumawi sa 3. Wala. To, ani Kilaton. Umaararo. Tomira. In and out. Rebound number 11. To Jula. Pass to Baraka. Perimeter jumper. 2 points. Lumbobo na ang kalamangan sa Team Peltor. Rananaw. Ay ka. Last touch. Rebound. Los Signos. Number 8 to Bahinting. 15 shot lang. Bahinting to number 11. Tomira sa 3. Wala. Rebound dumalag to Randirana. Randirana luming up. In and out. Ay, tuwa ni Lucinio sa bola. Lucinio sa bola to Jula. Jula now. Jula. Ay, tuwa na ilog ni Sansan. To Randirana. 2 points. Los Signos. To Baraka. Perimeter jumper. Wala. Rebound Kilaton. Kilaton na. Kadala na bola. To ani Randirana. 2 points. Rebound Jula. 4 minutes and 30. Bahinting. Oh, ano das magi ng atong kuan? Daot na. Very bound to Jula. 4 minutes and 20. 10 shot clock to shoot. Post to number 11, Pumiki. To ay ka. Last touch, sayang. 4 minutes and 30. Oh, stand by. 4 minutes and 10. 4 minutes and 5. 15 shot clock. Kilato now. Pass to number 2. Pinawi jumper. 2 points. Time out. Pilcor. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 53 seconds for the second quarter. Early tap. Gabrielino inbound pass to Mahintik. To Baraka, perimeter jumper, 2 points. So Baraka. Balaliko, pass to Montimayor. Rana, 15 shot clock. Taking for 3. Airbo, may foul. Number 10. Montimayor pushing foul. Bahinting to Gabrunino. Back to Bahinting to taking for 3. Wala. Rebound Rana. Sana na. Controlling. Pass to Kilaton. Pumiki, tumira. Matay mo tiki. Kilaton rebound. May foul. Foul of Pito. Bahan Kilaton, to Montimayor. Pass to Randirana, taking for 3. Wala. Rebound. To ani Jula. Jula now. Agawan. 14 shot clock. Wala. Rebound ng Montimayor. Pass to Randirana. To Kilaton. Back to Rana, to Montimayor. Tumikada sa 3. Oh, last touch. MP ito. Gabrunino, to Ani Baraka. Pass to Jula. 14 shot clock. 10 shot clock. 2 points. Number 11. Rana. Pass to Montimayor. To Kilaton. 10 shot clock. Pass to Rana. Tumigada sa 3. Wala. Rebound ni Baraka. Baraka to Gabrunino. To Jula. Wala. Rebound ng Jula. So, Baraka, perimeter jumper, 2 points. Malipat pa di ay. Run now, controlling the ball. Slowly the ball. 14 shot clock. 10 shot clock to shoot. Pass to Kilaton. 3 seconds. Bound Gabrunino to Jula. 4 minutes and 20. 20 sa shot clock. Jula now. Pass to Baraka. Perimeter jumper. Nothing back net. 2 puntos. So pangit-ngit. Kaya di na maklaro. Rana now. Taking for 3. 3 points. Randirana. 3 against 8 ang score in favor of Pilcor. Gabrunino to number 11. Bumawi sa 3. 3 points. 3 minutes and 40 play time for the first quarter. Montimayor. Running G, wala. Rebound of Gabronino. Pass to Jula. Jula to Baraka. Solo flight. 2 points. 3 minutos o 15 segundos. Rana. Tumera sa 3. In and out. 3 minutes and 8. 3 minutes and 5. Number 11. Taking for 3. Wala. Rebound of Randirana. Pass to Montemayor. Solo flight. Wala. 2 points. Kinahanglan ba na yung reverse? 2 minutos o 43 segundos. Jula. Taking for 3. Wala. Rebound of Kilaton. Kilaton na. Gadala na bola. Pass to Rana. Tumira sa 3. Wala. Gihapon. To ani Gabronino. Gabronino. Ay ka. That's a traveling. 2 minutos o 23 segundos. Gabronino lumiap. Yapon. To ni Aliko. Aliko now. To Puerto. To Montemayor. Tumira sa 3. Wagi hapon. To sa number 11. To Bahinting. To Gabronino. To Jula. Jula na po. Lumiap. Wagi hapon. Rebound. Aliko. To Montemayor. Ay. To Ana. 2 puntos gitu dia. 1 minute and 43. Gabronino. Aliyok to number 11. 2 points. Harang kahangin na ng number 11, no? 1 minute and 30. Rana now. Lumiap. May foul. Foul number 52. Illegal use of hands. Second personal foul number 52. Second team foul. Pilco. First try of Rana. 1 point. One minute and 18. To Jula. To Bahinting. To Gabronino. Ayay ka. Magkasinabot. 1 minute and 7. Rebound Randirana. Pass to Kilaton. Back to Rana. 1 minute playing time for the first quarter. Rana now. Pass to Montemayor. 10 shot clock. To agibunlot rang Jula ang bola. To ani Gabronino. 2 puntos. 40 seconds. 35 seconds. Montemayor. Pass to Rana. 8 shot clock to shoot. 5 shot clock to shoot. Tumira sa 3. Wag yapon. Rebound. Kilaton. Tumira. Oh, may foul. Foul number 15. 9 seconds. Bahinting. 5 seconds. Number 11, Tomera. Wala. End of the first quarter. Diri sa sud, ang atong inbound. Paminawara ang baser. Mga player, paminawara. Paminawa. And the winner! Pelcon. Tumira. 3 points. Jula. Labaw na pugduha ang Pilcor. 1 minute and 37 playing time. For bumawi si Rana. Airball ang inabot. 1 minute and 31. Jola now, controlling the ball. Slowly the ball. 18 shot clock. 14 shot clock to shoot. 10 shot clock. To ani Luceños. To Baraka. To ani Tersipan. To ani Rana. Oh, last touch. Klaro ang bola. One minute and 4. Rana inbound. Mira. To agya po ni Sansan. Oh, may foul. Number 11. Third personal foul. To team's foul. Pilcor. 59 seconds. Randy Rana. Controlling. Tomikada. Wala. Rebound. Baraka. To number 00. Pumike. Abay. Foul. That's a ground foul. 27. Holding foul. Wag pa, ladyo pa kayo. 2 teams foul pa. Layo pas penalty. So, number 8. Tujula. 40 seconds. 10 shot clock. Oh, may foul. Number 27. Third. Warning. Warning Sansan. 3 teams foul. Terminal management. Ay, pag-ibig. To players return to backcourt. Sumbahan Aliko. Randy Rana. 30 seconds. Randy Rana. May foul. Number 8. Tuwa palagi ito. 3 teams foul pa. 14 sa shot clock. Tuwa sa number 01. Pilaton. 2 points. Iguales. 56. Tuwa na po na Tersipan. Oh, may foul. Number 01. Pushing foul. Third personal foul. Warning for penalty. Terminal. No more shot clock. 18 seconds. 14 seconds. 8. 5. Tomikada. Kabong. 3 points. Last. Time out. Terminal. Arang ring Lisa. Up to Asilao. Foul number 19, holding foul. Iwakli na. Number 00, Tujula, 10 shot clock. 5 shot clock. To, ano po ni Sansana bola. Muraquites. Puntos. Change play ball. To, ana ni Baraka ang bola. To, number 00, to Gabronino. Airball ang inabot. For minutes playing time. 15 shot clock. Pilaton, lumiap, wala. Number 2, wag yapon. Oh, last touch. 3 minutes and 48. Sa shot clock. To anirandira lumiap. 2 points. Tulo na kapuntos ang Labaw. 3 minutes and 35. To sa number 0, 2 puntos. 3 minutes and 20. Shot clock. Pilaton. To Sansan tumira sa 3. To wala rebound. Baraka to Gabronino. To Jula. To Owens. Change play mo naman. 2 minutos o 51 segundos. Pilaton. Slowly the ball. 14 shot clock. To Rana. Pumiki, lumiap. 2 puntos. 54-53. Labaw na buong terminal. Jola, nagadala ng bola. Tumira sa 3. In and out. Tuwa ni Randirana. Randirana na, nagadala. Ay, alulan. 27. Ay, pag-ibig. Sakpan. Dos minutos o 17 segundos. Jola. 19 sa shot clock. Jola na on. 14 shot clock. To Gabronino na. Buhiya na pong bola. To Randirana. To Pilaton. Wala. Up. Last touch. Time out! Pelcor. To All Lion. Ay, that's a changing pivot. That's a traveling. Rebound. Six minutes and 29. Kilatos. Oh, may foul. Foul number 14. Holding foul number 14. Randirana. Kilaton. So, Sansan, lumiap, wala. Rebound, Kilaton. Tumira, wala gyapon. Tuwa ni Ulayon. Tuwa ni Sansan. Lai ki-reverse wa gyapon. Arang sayang Tuwa ni Baraka. 5 minutes and 55. Pasto Gabronino. Gabronino. Slowly dribble. Take shot clock. Tuwa ni Ulayon. Tumika na sa 3. Wala. Rebound. Ulayon pa rin. Tumira. Wag yapon. Last touch. 5 minutes and 36. Randirana. Tumira sa 3. 3 point. Oto na-receive na bola. 5 minutes and 19. Upat na lamay labaw sa Pilcor. Gabronino. Slowly dribble. 10 shot clock. Last touch. Five minutes, split time. 3 points. Time out, Pilcor. Ayan, Tumira. Wala pa tayo putikik. So, Kilaton. Tumidiretso. Tumira. Wag hapon. Huwag nahimo. Number 3. To number 00. Imo. Number 00 pa rin. Tumira. 2 points. 2 minutes split time. Sansan. Fifteen shot clock. To Kilaton now. Lumiap. Gapon na putol. Parang hinajaras. Liap. Number 3. Dos puntos. Diara. Imo. 2 points. 1 minute and 22. 20 sa shot clock. Jola. 14 shot clock. To number 12. Tumira. Airball. Hapit. Tuwang kaabot. One minute and 5. Randirana now. Randirana. 2 points. Seconds. 20 shot clock. Tuwa na boss number 11. Tumira sa 3. Wala. Rebound number 10. Montemayor. Montemayor nangitag kapasahan. To number 2. In and out. Rebound number 11. Tuwa ni Jola. Jola now. To number 00. Imo Baraka. By foul. Bulintang. Foul number 19. Randirana. First on Randirana. Wala. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. Wala. Rebound. 10 seconds. To ni Jola. To number 00. Itso. May foul na. Ground foul. Number 01. Penalty situation. First try. Attention coaches and players, last 2 seconds. Wala. And now the third quarter. Andam-andam na. Pass to number 13 to Baraka. Perimeter jumper, 2 points of Baraka. Rana, noon siya manakan. Stepping. Bound Jula, pass to number 00. 00 to Baraka. May foul, basket down. Number 20, CB. Second personal foul, Sansan. Bonus throw. Wala. Rebound, Kilato. Pass to Rana. Rana. Umaararo. To Aliko. Tumira. Wala. To Ani Baraka. Baraka. Tumira. Wala. Basket count na naman. May foul. Number 01. Kilato. Bonus throw. Wala. Tuwa naman number 11. Tumira. Wala. Rebound number 27. Sansan. Sansan. Torana. Hortensia Clark. Randy Rana. Last touch of Randy Rana. Higop sa sapatos. Ani Baraka. To Jula. 14 shot clock. Jula now. 3 seconds. Five minutes and 33. Kilato. Controlling the ball. Tumira. In and out. Go up, my foul. Number 11. Hit. 2 free throws coming. First try of number 2. Wala. Up, my foul. Number 7, holding foul. Sub coming. Second personal foul, number 7, Aliko. number 00. Na point guard. Tuwa na po ni Baraka. Tumira. Harang kuya. Huwag ka bonus Baraka. Need na malamay manabod. Rana. To number 2. Reverse. Number 2 pa rin. Tumira. Basket count. Match foul rate. Number 11. Second personal foul, number 11. Second foul, Philcor. Kompleto. Zero. To Ulayon to Jula. 10 shot clock. Jula now. Fancy the ball. 5 shot clock to shoot. Tuwas number 00. Tuwa na intercepan ni Kilaton. To number 2. Number 2. 2 points. 4 minutes and 23 remaining time. Four minutes and 14. Number 00 to Jula. Jula now to Olayon. 2 puntos of Olayon. Montemayor controlling the ball. Montemayor. Tumira. 2 points. 3 minutes and 45. 3 minutes and 40. 15 shot clock to shoot. 3 minutes and 30. 8 shot clock to shoot. 5 shot clock to shoot. Tumira. Shot clock violation. Kaigo Sari. 3 minutes and 20. Rantirana to Montemayor. Paso number 2. Ayay ka. 3 seconds. Three minutes and 12. 3 minutes and 10. 20 shot clock. Jula now, slowly revolve. Rasov number 2. 10 shot clock. Last touch. 2 minutos. 54 segundos. 2 minutes and 50. 20 shot clock. To Montemayor. Pumiki. To number 2. Ay, 3 seconds sa Skilaton. Time out. Philcor. Prima to Jula. Jula now, slowly dribble. 20 shot clock. To ni Baraka. Tumiray. 2 points. 3 minutes and 35. Kilaton. 3 minutes and 30. 14 shot clock. Number 2, tumikada sa 3. Wala agawan sa bola. Tuwa ni Sansan, perimeter jumper. Wag yapon. Tuwas na Pikman. Balik ni Sansan, tumira. Wag yapon. Tuwa ni Baraka. To Prima. To Jula. Lumiap. Agawan. Tuwa ni Kilaton. Number 2 points. 2 minutes and 50. Baraka. Perimeter jumper, 2 points. 2 minutos o 40. Iten shot clock. Yay ka. 2 sa number 15. To number 2. Ay, yay ka. Nahiwi. Nahiwi ang ring. Oh, sub coming. Oh, sub. Baraka. Oh, isa. Ay, Ban Gabronino. To Prima. To number 8. To as number 11, Tamira. Airball. To Angela. 2 puntos. 2 minutes and 10. Kilaton. Puerto. Bumangga. Kapal ball kasi. To ni Gabronino. Ay, ito ni Kilaton. Ay ka. Gibali pa man. Naunsam to. To Aralosinyo. Ay, may foul. A basket count. Foul number 7. Aliko. Sub coming. Pulisan na ninyo. Yung sama mo di mo na ninyo pulihan. Malokoy yung taon mo. Lupa na lang nga ako nga na. Okay, Bolostro. Stepping. At daw lagi yung nagtikang na Montiel. Sayang to. 1 minute and 43. Sansan. The playmaker of to Ara basket count. Foul number 3, Jula. Bonostro. Ay ka. Airball naman po. 1 minute and 34 playing time for the second quarter. 1 minute and 30. 1 minute and 25. 14 shot clock. 10 shot clock. Jula. Ay, ito ni Kilaton na intercept to Sansan. Sansan lumiap. 2 points. 1 minute and 5. To ani Jula. To Lucinos. Perimeter jumper. Wala. Imo. To ani Puerto. To Aliko. To Aliko. 15 shot clock. 45 seconds. 10 shot clock. Number 2 basket count. Foul number 52. Third personal foul number 52. Bonus throw. 1 point. 38 seconds. 30. 25. 10 shot clock to shoot. Prima. Aras to Aliko. To Gabronino. Gabronino. Tuwa na intercepan na po ni Kilaton to Sansan. 2 points. Last 10 seconds. Tuwa ni Jula. 5 seconds. Eh.